Good morning. It is 11:26 a.m. Tuesday, February 3rd. And yes, we are still working hard at the Boat Doctors. Okay. We are working on a 1990 Sea Nymph, 17-footer that needs a transom rebuild. We pulled the transom out. It's right there. And as you can see, it was totally rotted. Okay. All the way across. And there's our mascot, Sid, wandering around. Okay. Here is the new transom that we've built. It's epoxy-coated on each layer. Okay. And as you can tell, it's epoxy coated, okay, to prevent it from rotting. It is marine grade plywood. This here is the 15-layer plywood. 3 layers of 3/4 inch ply, bonded together with fiberglass resin and screwed to hold it temporarily together. As you can see, here's the resin coming out. It's already dry and hardened. We did that yesterday, and today I've started to sand it. Okay, I've sanded the top, the valley. You got to sand this top and this side. This one is already done. This side. Okay, we're going to take the upper portions, okay, which are right there. They're kind of really rotted, so we can't reuse them. We're gonna make new upper portions. Okay, I have to sand them, and then I'm going to biscuit joint them all the way along, all 3 layers. Biscuit joint it together with resin. Okay, and this one actually goes this way. As you can see, it goes in like that. So it's going to be biscuit jointed together and sealed up so it can't rot again. And before we install this new transom, we're going to clean up the old transom by the aluminum, scrape it, put a coat of sealer on it so it can't rot. Okay, and it can't blister from the inside out, as it's already starting to. This will prevent it from having blister joints on the outside, causing it to leak. Okay. We also have to lift the boat up off the trailer and clean up the silicone that somebody's put on here, as you can see, to try to seal up a crack. There's a crack here all the way along the bottom and up the side. Same on this side. This side isn't as bad. It's only about 2 inches from the end, but it's further up the side. That's going to be ground out and welded. And this one, at least, it hasn't corroded through anywhere. So we should be good there. But I'm still going to scrape it and put a coat of epoxy inside. Then both of these areas, once the transom plywood is in place, both these areas are going to be filled with foam, okay, which we have already ordered. Okay, it's going to take approximately 3 gallons on each side of the foam. Then we can reassemble the top, put the motor on, hook everything up, and have the customer pick it up. If anybody needs a transom done or their boat repaired before the good weather comes in, give us a call at the Boat Doctors. We're ready and willing to help you out. Hope everyone is having a good day. Thanks for watching. And we will be back at it. Yeah, probably in about another 15 minutes. And then I'll do another video showing how it's biscuit jointed together and epoxied. Have a good day, everyone.